बोलो जरा, what is the situation? Tell me. Anyone who can tell me the situation.
The
बोलो,
dacoits have entered the train.
dacoits have entered the train and they have stopped
Yes,
the
sir.
train. So what does it mean? They are armed with the guns, that is for sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me, are you going to overpower them? What will happen if you try to overpower them? Tell me.
Sir,
Sir,
get killed.
someone will get killed.
Will they fire or not fire?
Definitely, sir, they will fire.
If they fire,
They
will
will
people
fire.
die or not die?
Yes, sir.
So do you want to kill people for valuables or kill yourself for valuables? Is it worth it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
बोलो दोस्तों, किसी ने कहा हम आरपीएफ को बताएंगे, कैसे बताओगे आप आरपीएफ को? ट्रेन रुकी हुई है, आप आरपीएफ को बताओगे? किसी ने कहा कि समवन सेड कि डिस्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, वो कौन था बोलो जरा? Who was that?
Prabhakar sir,
हाँ
Himalayan.
प्रभाकर बोलो जरा, अपना रिस्पांस बोलो.
Sir, I'll distract them by telling them I have valuable on the site or in that.
अब आप क्या करोगे? उनको स्मार्टली हैंडल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, बट डू यू थिंक यू विल बी, आप अपने आप को एक बार ट्रेन में डालो. Put yourself in the train which has been stopped by dacoits and they have, मतलब जिन dacoits ने इतनी हिम्मत दिखाई है कि ट्रेन को रोक दिया है, ट्रेन को, चलती ट्रेन को रोक दिया है और ओवर पावर कर लिया है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
अब वो कह रहे हैं कि अपने वैल्यूएबल्स दे दो. अब बताओ कि you will be able to distract them and all that things that you are telling, is it possible practically, and will it invite a loss of life?
Sir, I do have one point, sir. Please allow me.
Please, I want
Because,
the,
sir, in my case, I'm a defense personnel, sir.
that's okay.
So
You are a defense
if I am not
personnel.
showing courage in such scenarios,
Fine.
I think it is going to be a negative point for me because I'm simply just like a civilian. I'm just giving them.
Okay.
मतलब मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूँ, sir.
हाँ, मैं आपको समझाता हूँ, आप ही को मैं आप ही के
Sir.
लैंग्वेज में समझाता हूँ, because we
Sir,
all
can
are
I say
aspiring,
something, sir?
you all are aspiring defense personnel. I am also, I was a defense personnel and you are a defense personnel. So we have three categories here. Good.
Yes,
So
sir.
what
Sir,
is
can I
asking
say something,
is,
sir?
no, wait, let me finish with him. It's a very logical point what he's saying. You tell me, you are the only one there?
No, sir.
Then
There are many people.
there are many people. There are many
Yes, sir.
people who are innocent also.
Yes, sir.
So with this act which you're trying to do, if they open the fire, which is very likely they will, lot of lives will be lost, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is logic?
Sir, logic is to give valuable to them and
Logic
then
is to cooperate
yes, sir, to cooperate.
and later on report the matter.
Yes,
Because
sir.
they're only asking for valuables. Please understand, situation क्या है? They're only telling you to surrender valuables.
Got it,
तो
sir.
ये रिस्क क्या लेने लायक है कि हम लोगों की जान जाने दें?
No, sir.
ये है. मान लीजिए आप डिफेंस पर्सनल हैं और आप एक टीम को अपनी लीड कर रहे हैं और मान लीजिए टेररिस्ट कहीं छुपे हुए हैं, तो क्या ये लॉजिकल है कि आप ओपन में आ जाएं, डिफेंस पर्सनल हैं और उनको मारने लगे? इज इट लॉजिकल और इज इट लॉजिकल टू lay an ambush and wait for the reinforcement and then smoke them out?
Yes, sir. You are right, sir. The second option is the logical one.
That is not logical, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what I want to tell you. अब मान लो
Now I
दूसरा
got it, sir.
सिचुएशन, अब आपका सिचुएशन थोड़ा सा बदल देते हैं. आप
Sir.
जो बंदा है वो डकैत नहीं है, he is a terrorist and he is holding a bomb in his hand, right? And he is about to blow it. अब सिचुएशन में क्या हो गया? उसी ट्रेन में जो बंदा चढ़ा है, जो डकैत नहीं है, वो वैल्यूएबल नहीं मांग रहा है. अब वो क्या कह रहा है कि मैं ये ट्रेन को ब्लो करूंगा. आप बताओ क्या करोगे?
Sir, we will
That's a
stop him
tricky one.
from pulling the trigger, sir.
You have to now attack him and somehow hold him from doing what he wants to do. Correct, not correct? यहाँ पे अब वो सवाल नहीं है कि valuable लेके जा रहा है वो. यहाँ पे तो as
Yes,
such
sir.
people are going to die. So here your action should be कि कैसे भी उसको overpower किया जाए और कैसे भी जान बचाई जाए. तो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, एक ही सिचुएशन में, एक ही कंडीशन में, आई मीन टू से, सिचुएशन अगर बदलती है तो लॉजिकल अप्रोच आपका चाहिए मुझे. आपने देखा ट्रेन में कितना लॉजिक चेंज हुआ 2-3 सिचुएशंस में ही।
एब्सोल्युटली
Yes,
सर,
sir.
अभी क्लियर हो गया सर, क्लटर
आप
पूरा
अभी
मतलब।
बताओ, जैसे ही कोई ट्रेन का सुनेगा फट से बोलेगा आई विल पुल द चेन। डू यू थिंक इट इज लॉजिकल टू पुल द चेन ऑल द टाइम?
नो सर।
मान लो
No, sir.
आप,
No,
मैं
sir.
उसी में सिचुएशन चेंज कर देता हूँ। while the train was passing, a fellow passenger fell down. A fellow passenger fell down of the train. Now should you pull the chain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is about life. आप सिचुएशन के हिसाब से चलो मेरे दोस्तों। प्रॉब्लम यही है, आपको अगर कोई भी सिचुएशन है, हर चीज का लॉजिकल सोल्यूशन आपको मिल जाएगा। जस्ट ट्राई टू पुट योरसेल्फ देयर। आप लोग यही गलती कर रहे हो, आप अपने आप को डाल ही नहीं रहे हो। मैं बता रहा हूं, whether you will be recommended or not recommended is defined in two perspectives. How much efforts are you putting? How much efforts are you really putting? ठीक है, that is part one. And second is how logical you are trying to become. आप लीडरशिप रोल में जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, आप कोई योद्धा बन के नहीं जा रहे हो कि मुझे आदेश मिला है तो मैं गन चला दूं। ये आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशन से ज्यादा ये भी है कि विल यू बी एबल टू लीड द टीम लॉजिकली। आपके पीछे मान लो आपकी टीम है, सामने से गोलीबारी हो रही है, तो शुड यू नॉट सेव द टीम और शुड यू जस्ट कम इन फ्रंट? मारना तो है ही, छोड़ना नहीं किसी को, दुश्मन हो चाहे जो भी हो, परंतु लॉजिकल एप्लीकेशन चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए?
यस सर।
अभी कारगिल में क्या हुआ था? कारगिल में ऊपर से वो लोग अटैक कर रहे थे, तो उनको लगा कि कुछ हो नहीं सकता है। बट देन व्हाट डिड इंडियन फोर्सेस डू? उन्होंने इतना बम्बार्डमेंट किया वहां बोफोर्स से, उनकी हालत खराब कर दी। दैट इज लॉजिक ना। स्टार्टेड बम्बार्डिंग, धाम धाम गिर रहे हैं चारों ओर से, वो बोफोर्स के शेल्स गिर रहे हैं। कौन, हु कैन सस्टेन दैट? जब सब वहां से भागे, फिर जाके वहां पे फिर समझ में आ रहा है मेरे बात की नहीं? लॉजिक अप्लाई करो। जैसी ट्रेन दिखी चेन तोड़ दो। अरे कैसे चेन तोड़ दोगे भाई? हमेशा चेन पुल करोगे तो पूरा रेलवे सिस्टम का लाइनें खराब हो जाएगा। आ रही बात समझ में?
यस सर, यस सर,
Yes,
नाउ
sir.
आई गॉट इट। यस सर।
Any other SRT which you want to discuss? Tell me, guys.
Sir,
हाँ,
sir, can I add that also try to capture the faces of the dacoits
how?
and here?
Through a camera.
Yes, yes.
Again, you're trying to do smart act. You should understand कि any such move will result in what? Best way is you try to remain calm, cooperate, ठीक है? Later report the matter to us. Now, when you report the matter, you give the entire description. Your eyes are also camera, right? You can give the entire description if you want. But what is important at that point of time is very essential, guys. मैं मान लो आपको एक सिचुएशन देता हूं कि यू वांट टू मैरी अ गर्ल ऑफ योर चॉइस, बट योर पेरेंट्स do not want to marry, they want to marry a girl of particular community or ऐसा कुछ. What should you do?
We will
Sir, I'll
convince them,
convince
sir.
my parents about the about the education qualities and the good qualities of the women, and then
Why
I
good quality? जितना सारा लंबा कहानी क्या है? Of course good qualities है, तभी तो आपको पसंद है वो।
नहीं
और
तो
जो
कन्विंस करना पड़ेगा।
Convince my
कन्विंस
parents.
कर रहे हो तो ये सब तो पहले ही हो चुका है ना। अभी आपको क्या
सर,
करना चाहिए?
कन्विंस करके सर
सिंपल सा आंसर क्या लिखना है? लिखना चाहिए convince the parents and marry the
Sir, can I say something, sir?
wait convince the parents and marry the girl of your choice. इतना लंबा आपको एजुकेशन क्वालिटी तो फलाना क्वालिटी ये सब बोलने की क्या जरूरत है?
डन सर।
कन्विंस करो, हर चीज बताओ, पढ़ने में अच्छी है, दिखने में अच्छी है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है, कंपैटिबल है, तो कन्विंस में सब नहीं आ गया?
यस सर, यस सर।
फिर हाँ,
Yes,
आदित्य
sir.
बोलो।
Sir, there is an SRT, sir, in that, sir. Sir, you are going for SSB, and in the morning your original documents have been stolen, sir. What should be our response to this particular situation?
You tell me, you are now going for SSB means you are already at that SSB center?
Yes, sir.
Then what should you do? You tell me, apply logic.
Sir, according to me, I will submit a application to the authorities there regarding my situation, sir.
and ask for the next date.
Yes, sir. Or
है ना?
sir, if I can also
Do an
submit them,
FIR.
sir, photocopies of my original documents.
एक बात बताओ, एसएसबी में जो लोग गए हैं, डू दे एक्सेप्ट फोटोकॉपीज और डू दे वांट
No,
ओरिजिनल?
sir.
दे
No,
विल
sir.
No, sir, they don't.
डॉक्यूमेंट आउट कर देंगे ना। तो डॉक्यूमेंट
Yes,
आउट
sir.
हो जाओ। डॉक्यूमेंट आउट में क्या होता है कि दे विल, यहाँ पे एयरफोर्स में तो ये भी होता है कि आप पीएस वो दे दो, अपना प्रीलिम्स वाला दे दो, दैट इज पीपीडी दे दो, और डॉक्यूमेंट फिर वो नई डेट दे देते हैं, उस नई डेट में डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ आ जाओ, ये भी होता है। Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
What can you
Yes, sir.
do in that particular situation? You can always go report, sir, I lost my documents, please help me. They are there to help you, so they will give you a new date. और you can always tell कि मेरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स भेज दीजिए, अपने फैमिली वगैरह को वो भेज देंगे, उसका प्रिंट आउट लेके आप जेरोक्स दिखा सकते हो, एंड फिर बोलेंगे ठीक है, तो फिर आप नेक्स्ट डेट पे आ जाओ ओरिजिनल लेके। दिस इज द ओनली थिंग यू कैन डू, राइट? You can meet the call-up officer, you can meet. So basically, what can you do at that point of time should be rational and should be logical.
Sir, or
This is
else
the
we can
answer, sir.
also download the documents from DigiLocker. They are also considered as a original one, like on authentic, sir.
I'm not very sure about SSPs accepting it. Are you sure?
I'm not sure, sir, but
I'm also not sure. They don't take
but DigiLocker is authentic one. That's the reason I'm
वो
telling
तो
you.
सबके पास है आजकल। मेरे को
Yeah,
याद
yes,
है,
sir.
मेरा एक स्टूडेंट है, तो उसको डॉक्यूमेंट का प्रॉब्लम हुआ गांधीनगर में ही। So he was allowed to give the PPDT. Maybe one document was missing or something. But after that, they did not allow him to give he got screened in. So after that, they gave him a new date and tell him to appear again with the new documents.
Yes, maybe, sir. It varies, sir.
It varies.
From different
So
to
as per
different.
this,
Yes, yes, sir.
this is a real case and very recent case. Very recent case. So I have my doubts. That depends how they take.
It's better to reschedule, sir. It's better to reschedule
No.
and
If
take
they're
next
agreeing,
date.
what's the problem? But if they're not agreeing, then reschedule or kya?
Then
Keep
yes, sir.
trying or kya? What else? और बताओ,
Okay.
any other things bothering you guys?
Sir, actually, this was asked in conference. One of my friend was asked that there is a rail. There are two tracks, and you are having a lever. You can pull a lever. One side, your family member is tied, and other side, two important members of the society are tied. Who would you
This
save?
becomes very, and I'm telling you, as I told you, as you are telling itself, कि it is a conference question. It is not SRT.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See,
I was asking.
SRT इसलिए नहीं हो सकता ये, because ऐसे difficult situations में आप क्या करेंगे? दो ऑप्शंस अगर दिए जाएं तो, परंतु ये कॉन्फ्रेंस में सिंथेटिक क्वेश्चन जरूर बन सकता है. So these are called synthetic questions. Basically, you create a situation and see how is the response coming, but it cannot be SRT. That is what I was telling you yesterday.
So how would you respond for this question?
It can work both ways. अब डिपेंड करता है, अगर कॉन्फ्रेंस में सवाल पूछा गया है तो कि कौन से ऑयल क्यू में समस्या देखी गई. तो जनरली अगर ऐसा दिखाया गया कि eminent members of the society are there and your family members are there, I don't know, my heart frankly speaking will go and save the family members, because however eminent that person may be, I am more closer to my family members. So that's how my natural reaction at that point of time will be. Getting your point?
Yes, sir.
मैं तो नहीं, what eminent यार, who is more eminent than my family? I don't think so. So I'm telling you a very honest answer, and I'll love to be honest.
Okay, sir.
है कि
Thank you.
नहीं? Like suppose who is the family member? Suppose now you put yourself in that situation, you will realize closer. Suppose it is your sister, Ramakant, right? So I remember you have a sister, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
suppose it is your sister, and there are two eminent members. Would you care what eminent MP, MLA, whatever?
No, sir.
So will
I'd
you
save
save
my sister.
or will you save your sister? It's very personal question. There must be a reason why this question is asked. Maybe the candidate who was giving the interview or the psychologist, while he was assessing him, has come to a conclusion somehow that this person is not well connected to his family. What is the reason why this question is asked is the issue. Synthetic question जब पूछा जाता है कॉन्फ्रेंस में दोस्तों, so there is a reason. On certain doubts this clarification is required. That is the essence of that question. Why it has come, only those people can tell who were there in the conference at that point of time. Why this question? Why psychologist or why IO or why GPO wants to clarify this? There has to be a reason behind it. But as far as SRTs will be there, trust on me, it will be seeking your response or reaction on a particular situation which should be very clear. It can't be an ambiguous situation. आप उसको बिटवीन द लाइंस पढ़ो एसआरटी को, आपको एकदम क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी सिचुएशन ये है. आपको एम्बिग्युइटी अगर जरा सी भी हो रही है तो समझ लो कुछ दिक्कत है. राइट दोस्तों?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone, any doubt? So what you guys do is do a lot of SRTs. My recommendation, do all the SRTs. Bring up the situation, bring up the problem, clarify. You will find yourself, yes, this is logical. And if it is logical, it is correct. Right? Everyone with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.